7 warning signs your body is calling for help. The body of each of us is a perfect machine, where many things are operating at the same time. Sometimes, the body sends out signals of help that if you ignore them, they can lead to health problems. On the bright side page shared with you, read 7 warning signs that your body is calling for help. Listen to your body to be able to handle it in time. 1. Insomnia, irritability, and leg cramps. If your body shows these signs, you need magnesium and potassium supplements. Add tomatoes, oranges, bananas, and spinach to your daily diet to supplement the above substances. 2. Dry skin. Dry skin can be a warning sign that your body is deficient in vitamin E. So, you should eat lots of vegetables, oils, nuts, and fish. 3. Like to eat sweets. If you suddenly want to eat sweets, it may be that your body is experiencing stress, depression, or exhaustion. So you need to add glucose to your body. To cope with this condition and avoid weight gain, eat dark chocolate or honey.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
4. Craving for ice. If you suddenly crave cold ice, it may be a sign that your body is anemic due to iron deficiency. Add iron-rich foods such as beef, eggs, and mollusks. However, it is better to consult your doctor if this condition continues and you always feel lack of energy. 5. Bleeding gums. You sometimes have frequent bleeding gums when brushing your teeth, which is a sign of vitamin C deficiency. Supplement your daily diet with the following foods: citrus fruits, vegetables, bean, green and red bell peppers, tomatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. 6. Nails and hair are easy to break. Broken nails and hair are signs that your body is deficient in vitamin B. Drink plenty of milk, eat nori seaweed and mushrooms. 7. Eyes appear circles around the iris. Circles around the iris often appear in older people, over 50 years old, which is a normal sign. Conversely, if it occurs in young people, it is a sign that your body has high cholesterol levels. You should see your doctor for advice sooner.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.